In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on SafePal Wallet app. First, make sure your SafePal app is fully updated to the latest version. Do that by opening Play Store or App Store on your phone. In here, search for SafePal like this. Now click on Update. This ensures access to the built-in buy crypto feature and any improvements or security updates. Once you are up to date, open the app and then navigate to the wallet section here. This is where you will find a buy or sell crypto options. This feature integrates with the trusted fiat on ramp providers, mostly MoonPayer, so you don't have to leave the app. Tapping buy crypto takes you here where you select which cryptocurrency you want, for example, BTC, ETH, BNB, and enter the amount you'd like to purchase in your local currency. MoonPay automatically connects your SafePal wallet and displays the current exchange rate and provider options. After filling everything correctly, click Buy to proceed. On the MoonPay checkout page, you will input your email for recipient and tracking and complete any required identity verification steps. Then you'll need your billing details and payment card information. MoonPay will present a confirmation screen showing the amount, wallet address, fees, and provider name. Once you approve the transaction, funds are charged and the crypto is sent directly to your SafePal wallet. You can monitor the order status through MoonPay's tracking link and check the transaction in your SafePal wallet's history after confirmation. Thanks to SafePal's integration, this entire process is smooth. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.